Today, I'll be giving you all a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the best lace glue on the market. Waterproof, sweat-proof, fight-proof, all of that. So if you're interested, then keep on watching this video.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel because I got a chauffeur.
So the first step in the installation process is the protection spray. This is a very key step before starting your install. The ice cream protection spray is going to provide a bacteria-free, clean area underneath your wig. The skin protectant is going to create sweat and waterproof installs. This is highly recommended for anyone who has sensitive skin because it is going to provide a protection barrier between your skin and the adhesive. I went in with 2 layers because it is extremely hot in Georgia and I need this glue to perform its best. Step 2, the best lace glue on the market. Waterproof, sweat-proof, fight-proof, heat-resistant. I mean, it gets no better than this. When applying this glue, I like to use a spatula just to make sure that it doesn't get messy and just to make sure that I have the thinnest layers possible. This is 1 dot of glue and I'm dragging it all the way down. You want that layer to be as smooth and as thin as possible. When you have multiple dots and multiple layers of glue, this will allow for your wig installs to take longer to dry and it will not last as long as it possibly could. Remember, 1 thin layer and drag it all the way down the furthest it could go. This is going to give you a very thin layer. It's going to allow for it to dry super quickly. You should not need a blow dryer within this process. Now that we are going in with our next layer, you want to make sure that your previous layer is tacky. If your previous layer is too dry, you will not have anything to stick or adhere that lace to. If your previous layer is too wet and stringy, that means you did not give it enough time to dry and it is not ready for the second layer or to lay that lace down. As you can see here, this lace is not ready to be laid down or another layer is not ready to be prepped because it is still stringy and wet. Now this here is the perfect consistency. As you can see, I am using my finger to test it out and it is bouncy and tacky. Now you are ready to lay that next layer down or lay your lace down. Now I ain't playing no games, okay? Today I am going in with 5 layers. Like I said, I will be working out in this wig, sweating in this wig, going swimming in this wig. I need this wig to last and it is extremely hot in Georgia, so I will definitely be using 5 layers. Remember to check that consistency before laying down another layer or your lace. Also, when applying your glue, you want to make sure that you not only get it on your skin, but you also applying glue on your ball cap. This will allow for your lace to last even longer because it's adhering to that cap and your skin. You want to ensure that the width of your glue is about 1 inch. You need to have glue on your cap and as well on your skin. Remember, it is very important to test out each layer before adding another layer or laying down that lace. It should not be stringy. You can use a blow dryer or allow for this glue to air dry because it does have a fast drying application. Now, I don't know what was going on in my head at this point, knowing that this glue do not play around and this glue does not play no games. But however, this just goes to show that this lace glue does not play, okay? It is the strongest lace glue on the market. Now, after 5 successful layers, this is the consistency and we are ready to apply this lace. Now, I know this is not a wig installation tutorial and more of a glue tutorial, but I did want to leave y'all with this one helpful tip to make sure that you lay that middle of the lace down before you lay down the sides because that is just extremely important. Now, y'all, when this lace was on my head, you couldn't tell me nothing. I was so happy, so excited because y'all, this lace was literally stuck. Like, you know, when you installing the wig by yourself and you're holding down both sides and you're pulling because you don't have anybody to help you, this glue literally holds it down by itself. It is so strong. It's crazy. This wig could be found in my hair vendors list. I will leave that information in the description box below. Now that gotta be gone, okay? We are using the ice cream melt spray. Y'all, I get so excited every time I use this. I overly love this product. I am applying this all over my hairline. This is going to make sure that I get the perfect melt and it is blended flawlessly into my skin. Ice cream melt spray does not leave that white cast and it does not have any strong alcohol ingredients, so it is safe for the skin. However, I would make sure that your lace is completely dry before applying this product so you will not experience any lifting. Once again, make sure that glue is completely dry before applying your melt spray, and then you will notice that that lace is melted, flawless, wet lace. This is my real hair. It's melted in my skin. Don't play with me. Don't play with ice cream lace glue, okay? If you all would like a step-by-step in-depth tutorial on how to do a wig install, I will drop a beginner-friendly wig install tutorial, please leave that in the comment section below. I would love to give you all the gems on how to have the perfect natural lace install. And as stated before and again, this ice cream melt spray is the truth. It is a versatile product, my favorite product. I use this for my baby hairs, for my ball caps, and especially to melt that lace. I am about to drop the biggest gem on how to properly melt that lace. After using the melt spray, I am going in with that fudge band. And as you can see, you want to stretch the middle of the lace so the band can be as tight as it possibly can. And girl, I wear this for hours, okay? I literally suffocate my brain. But however, pain is beauty, and it's going to give me that perfect melt. Y'all, I am in love with this wig. It is so full. The density is so thick, and the price is incredible for how good of a quality this is. Head over to Sheglows Hair Instagram. I have a link in bio of a full vendor's list on how to get this wig. And as you can see, this lace, it won't move. It is stuck and it is permanently my natural hair until I'm ready to take it off. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. I will show you how to properly remove this with our ice cream lace glue remover. Until next time, thank you all so much for watching.
From Jersey to